Hello, I'm Jan. In this video, I'll show you what we think is the ideal Gitpod workflow using disposable or ephemeral workspaces. This gives you a truly frictionless dev experience. So to briefly recap, in the previous videos, we looked at how to set up Gitpod for your project by creating a Gitpod YAML file, thus automating the entire dev environment. And this allows us to be instantly ready to code for any branch or pull request or issue or specific commit in this project, because everything is continuously pre-built and ready to code. And to illustrate with an example here, I could be working on a new feature for this project called New Shell. But maybe I have an idea for a quick fix that I want to make, and instead of creating a new branch and stashing my changes and switching between Git branches, I can simply create a brand new Gitpod workspace for this project, and with a clean slate, create. And as you notice, it's much faster to switch between browser tabs than it is to switch between Git branches. And as another example, I could be requested to review a pull request and test it, and so I can also open this pull request in another Gitpod workspace and thus work on many things in parallel. And the only limit really is myself, or how many things I can keep in my head, because Gitpod can just run all these workspaces simultaneously. So yeah, please feel free to automate your project's dev setup and then open as many Gitpod workspaces as you want in parallel.